Group picture. Group picture. Group
Amanda, come in a minute. Better. We will see two guys.
Thank you.
Someone asking questions or no? Who asking? Ma'am, can you just keep it low, please?
Can we have silence here, please?
University. Yes, sir. Yes, please.
2 years to complete this movie. So how is the journey? Big long journey.
Well, it took so long because it's such a large film, and I'm sure you'll agree with me once you've seen the promo of the film. And you know, a mammoth film like that will take mammoth time. And here it's not true, but it's been 3 years from the time I've started this film. Prabhas has been slightly longer with the film. Tamanna has joined us slightly later, but still it's years of hard work, and just not the three of us, but many more technicians who worked for this film. And all this we were waiting for was the outcome of the promo launch.
You know, director of the film, S.S. Rajamouli, is one of the finest directors in our country. So
yes.
What do you have to say about his innovative style of filmmaking as such?
Well, to me, he's one of the finest craftsmen this country has got. He is probably the only filmmaker who blends great new storytelling with very solid commercial sensibilities. Whether he makes a film on a fly, or whether he makes a killing of 100 men in a film like Magadhira, and today he's making his biggest film, and that's Bahubali, and we're very happy that we're part of it. And obviously he's somebody who believes in cinema being larger than life, and giving that larger than life experience for moviegoers, and this is the answer for it.
You know, what do you have to comment on S.S. Rajamouli's style of filmmaking? You know, you were saying about Makhi as you know, it was so innovative film. So what do you have to comment on it?
पहले तो मैं एस.एस. राजमौली की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ, और मुझे बिल्कुल भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि उन्होंने मुझे इस फिल्म के लिए अप्रोच किया, क्योंकि ये फिल्म ऑलरेडी 1.5 ईयर से चल रही थी, शूटिंग ऑलरेडी चल रही, सब पूरी इंडस्ट्री को मालूम था. एंड जब मुझे इस फिल्म के लिए बुलाया गया, मुझे तो ये भी नहीं मालूम था कि मैं क्या पार्ट प्ले करने वाली हूँ. बट जब उन्होंने मुझे समझाया कि ये है मेरा पार्ट, एंड आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी ऑन बोर्ड. एंड आई थिंक मैं इस फिल्म को पूरी तरह से इमेजिन नहीं कर पाई जब तक मैंने खुद प्रोमो नहीं देखा, क्योंकि अल्दो हम एक्टर्स हैं, हम उस सेट पे काम करते हैं, बट काफी सारा विजुअल इफेक्ट्स यूज किया गया है इस फिल्म में, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरती से मिक्स किया गया है सेट वर्क के साथ. तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही नया एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. इस फिल्म में स्पोर्ट फाइटिंग भी करनी पड़ी है, जो मेरे लिए अगेन बहुत ही नया था. आई थिंक इस फिल्म में मैंने सबको, मेरा इर्द गिर्द जो लोग थे, सबको बोल दिया था कि एक्सपेक्ट द अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिकॉज इट्स बाहुबली. So yeah, I've enjoyed every single day working on this film.
You know, in our country, film industry is so big. लेकिन अलग-अलग terms coin किया जाते हैं मीडिया में, कभी Bollywood, कभी Tollywood, Collywood. Do you think that these terms coined are unfair to you and to us as well?
Fair or unfair? Now it's too late to judge and discuss that topic. But
there are many celebrities who are not very much comfortable with these terms.
I am somebody who's definitely not comfortable with certain terms, but because it's still one country. But the beauty of this place is, in one country we have so many different film industries, and it's a rarity in most parts of the world. And each industry is as big, if not bigger, than one another. Now, if you see, Hindi cinema is huge. Telugu is as big. Then there is Tamil. Then there is a smaller Malayalam. There is Kannada. There are so many diverse industries making different kinds of cinema, and which I think, collectively as a country, that's a beautiful thing that's coming out. That's great for the art form.
Prabhas, we want comment from your side also.
Yeah, about what?
Regarding the different terms coined, Bollywood and Collywood and Tollywood.
It's okay. Like I don't find it's. I feel it's okay. Like they're just names and all, but we are all from the same country. They're just named in different ways.
I think it's meant for convenience.
Yeah,
I think it's just meant for convenience. I think if you don't look into it too much and don't introspect too much into it, it's fine.
Yeah.
If you take it more seriously, then probably you can have issues. But I think it's just meant to categorize place. I think that's what it means, to my knowledge.
Like we see in the trailer, the sets are made very beautifully. Like people are not able to believe that it's an Indian film.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what would you like to say on that? Like how the sets were made and it was so differently placed.
Well, forget you all. We also didn't believe that it's an Indian film when I first saw the visual effects. Obviously, this film has been done to scale that any large Hollywood film would have been done at, any large Hollywood war film would have been done at. And if you see the making videos that we've released prior to releasing the promo, you'll see the kind of detail that's gone into to the film. And it's probably the first time a feature film, has gone to places like NASCON, Comic Con and others, and spoken about set design, spoken about production design, spoken about costume design and things like that. So it's definitely a lot of hard work, a lot of detailing that's gone in, with special mention to Sabu Sohail, who's a multiple-time national award winner, who's probably the finest art director this country has, and the costume designers are obviously layering to the vision of what Rajamouli has.
You know, you have worked with Hindi films as well as South films. There are many people who say that South film makers are more disciplined, more professional in their aspect as compared to the Hindi filmmakers or Hindi film industry. Is that true as such?
Well, for me, I always have this comment: the grass always looks greener from the other side. I mean, it's difficult to bifurcate an industry like that. There are disciplined people here, there are disciplined people there. There are indisciplined people here, there are indisciplined people there. So it's not collective as an industry that one operates, but that's completely an individual's way of functioning.
In talking about the success and unsuccess of film, whenever a film is not successful as such, does it dishearten you, or it give a boost to your confidence that I have to do more well in the next film as such?
See, first when we chose this profession, if you know the film industry in the world operates at a 5% success ratio. Now in India there are about 1500 to 2000 films that are being made, and you watch what, 20, 10, and so each, like, say Telugu there are about 200, Hindi there are about 250, 300 releases a year. Now which means almost a film is out there every single day. But we are in such a space, but yet we survive, and there's a lot that we learn from success, but there is a lot more that we learn from a failure.
And backup of Dharma Production and Karan Johar in the film as well, will it give a more boost to the film, as far as marketing is concerned or publicity is concerned?
Definitely, we obviously believe that we made a world-class product, and it needs a world-class name to promote it and catapult it to the next level. And Mr. Karan Johar's and Dharma Productions Association with this film is kind of positioned it out there. I mean, the reason all of us are here today and the reason you all are here talking to us is because of them. And I think it's nice when people of that stature come and say, "Here, you've done a good job."
One obvious question, due to the effort of Narendra Modi, yoga is not being celebrated as International Day.
Okay.
So how far do you believe in the concept of yoga? And
She's the only one who does yoga amongst all of us. I think she should.
Can you comment on that?
Well, I practice yoga, and I've been continuously doing it past 2.5 months. I think it's the only kind of physical training that works not only on the body but also on the mind. So it's really nice that a day is being allotted to it, but I think it's something as basic as brushing your teeth or doing your daily chores. So I think उसको जब तक आप हर दिन में incorporate नहीं करते, आपको उसका सच्चा flavor नहीं मिलेगा. तो जो चीज एक्सपीरियंस करने में मजा है, उसे एक दिन सेलिब्रेट करने के बाद भूल जाना में कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो उसे सेलिब्रेट कीजिए, बट कंटिन्यू भी कीजिए.
Last question, do you think that 10th of July will be one of the most valuable day of your life?
Without doubt, and I can speak for both of them as well.
Prabhas, you speak on day,
10th of July.
Yet about 10th of July?
One of the most valuable day of your life.
Yeah, it is the most valuable day. It is like after more than 300 days we worked, and after like 4 years, Rajamouli told me like 6 years before he's going to make some big film, and 4 years before he told me the script and all. So for me it is like after 4 years, July 10th is a day.
Thank you very much.
How many expectations from this movie you have?
फिल्म हमने नहीं बनाई है सर, एक्चुअली फिल्म में डायरेक्टर बनाता है. हम आते हैं सेट पे काम करते हैं.
कितनी उम्मीद की कितना आपको ग्रोथ मिलेगा?
हमने अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई है, हमें इस फिल्म पे विश्वास है, एंड हम आशा करते हैं कि लोग पिक्चर देखें 10 जुलाई को थिएटर जाके. और ये फिल्म ऐसी है कि आप सिर्फ बड़े पर्दे पर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. तो आप प्लीज जाइए 10 जुलाई, देखिए फिल्म एंड मेक एन ओपिनियन ऑफ योर ओन. थैंक यू.
Another 40-minute break? No?
हो गया ले ले ले
माना तो
yeah, good. Nice. Yeah, good.
Till my mind doesn't work and become
भैया
वो आपको मेरे को मालूम नहीं क्या हो रहा है
थैंक यू